Hello guys, this is Con. Today I'm going to introduce you guys about basic things that we need to know in C programming. Let's get started. The first thing I want to say is variable. A variable is a name given to a storage area that our programs can manipulate. Variables determine the size, layout of the variable's memory, the range of values that can be stored within the memories, and the set of operations that can be applied to the variable. There's four types of basic variables that we need to know in C programming. The first one is integer, which is the variable that can only hold whole number such as 1. Then the second one is character, which is a data type which holds one character like letters, number, or symbols. Float is a variable which have digits on both sides of the decimal point, while double is a larger float type that holds higher, bigger, and more precise number. Now we're gonna declare a and b into integer variable, and then assign a with number equals to 10 and b equals to 20. Then we're gonna print the value of a and b on the screen. You will see the result is just like the value I assigned just now. Next, we are going to talk about standard input and output. There's two main functions in C for input and output, which is printf as output and scanf as input. Remember that printf can only be used under stdio.h function. For output, now we use printf to show hello world to the screen, so we can see that what result is on the screen. And for the standard input and output, we want to enter our age, and scanf is going to be our input and printf will be our output. And I will type 18 and the result show will be like this. Next thing I want to talk about is selection. Unless specified, the order of the statement execution through a C program is linear, one statement after another in sequence. But selection allows us to decide whether or not to execute a particular statement. And selection statement always come along with if statement. Like in the program, when the condition is true, the statement will be executed. It will print you are an adult if your age is more than 17 years old, but there's no output when you are not. Else statement is mostly come after the if statement. In if-else statement, there will be another statement to be executed when the condition is false, like the example just now. Now I gonna add another statement which is printing hey kid in the else statement. If the condition is met, the result will be same like just now. But when the condition is false, another line will come out, which is what I entered just now. Hey kid. Now next we're gonna talk about loop. Loop is the continuous repetition of a statement when the condition is reached until the condition does not reach with end the task. There's three types of loop. While loop is a type of loop which tests the condition before the statement. If the condition is true, the statement will be executed and repeat again, and look back to the condition to test once again. And then if the condition is false, but it will flow through another path and end it. While the next one is the do while loop. Do while loop is almost the same as the while loop, but this time body is in front of the condition. We are going to execute statement once before we test our condition. If the condition is true, then we are going to look back to the body and execute the statement once again. But if the condition does not meet, it will just continue to end the task. The for loop condition is checked and we can add in the increment or decrement inside this loop. The statement is continuously repeated until the condition is false. Take away, we need to be aware that we only need to initiate this process once, and it will continuously execute the statement until the condition turns into false automatically. The last thing I want to talk about is array. Array is a kind of data structure that is used to store a collection of variables of the same type. When 20 or more variables of the same type is used in the same time, it will be really confusing and annoying to declare one by one, and it's not efficiency. There's a better way to declare those variables by declaring an array with the size of array, which shows the number of variables applied in that particular array. The structure of array is shown in the diagram below. All arrays have 0 as the base index, and the last index of the array is always the total size of array minus 1. We can assign number into the array by the method shown in the slide, and the result is also shown in the diagram. But if you want to declare a single number only, you can also type the index you want and make it equals to the value you want. This is all about what I want to talk about today. Thank you for watching.